everyone, thank you for joining me for another segment of Helpful Home Tips with yours truly, Patti Trevino. Today I'd like to show you my favorite gadget in my home that you may want to incorporate into your home. It's actually the button to my garbage disposal. When we recently had our countertops redone, one of the requirements I wanted was not to use the wall switch for my garbage disposal because the switch plate gets gunky. So instead we were offered the option to put a sink top version of a button that connects directly to the garbage disposal on our countertop. So here is the button that I was talking about. Let me show you how it works. Just turn it on. It's an air gap type of button. Turn it off. All done. I hope you found this home tip valuable, and if you'd like any other tips like this one, please visit my YouTube page, Patti Trevino, or my upcoming website, pattitrevino.tv. Bye!